outdoors, where the conqueror roams.
Okay, the Mandleve Companion Rebuild Project. My service was done here in the last 2 days. It was like an ant's nest all over my caravan. Alan, what did you guys do?
Morning guys. We basically did a full service, the same service that we would do on a second-hand unit, and if you bring your caravan to us at Northgate for a service. Major service includes about 90 points, important coupler shocks, brake systems, electrical system, water systems, all of that sort of stuff gets checked and more. And that's basically what we do.
Well, I was telling you, you guys did undercarriage, rubbers, etc. But exactly. Why do you guys do a service for a second-hand caravan?
Because on second-hand caravans we give the warranties as well. Anything younger than 10 years, a year warranty, and anything older than 10 years, 6-month warranty.
Okay, this is now a prime example of why we service all caravans. Sometimes you just don't see things from the outside with the eye. But when you start driving, then it starts causing problems. So that there is supposed to be a buffer rubber. Now, buffer rubber, firstly, influences the setting of your handbrake. When your handbrake is set correctly, it compensates for that, call it 10mm buffer rubber that's in there. And when that buffer rubber starts disintegrating and breaking apart, then your handbrake settings goes out. But it also keeps that big knocking noise between your, every time you brake and you pull away, you don't have that metal on metal type of knocking noise. So this is the new buffer rubber we're going to fit in there. Going to replace the coupler shock with a new coupler shock. It's probably still okay, but we're not going to take any chances.
Give us your opinion. Would you repack a bearing or simply just replace it? Like and share this video and give us your comment in the comment box below. We also had lights fitted in all the cupboards. And to keep everybody happy, I had these awesome fans fitted in my caravan. They turn 360 degrees, got 3 speed settings, and it's got a sleeper time switch. Get your caravan professionally serviced by Conqueror Northgate or Conqueror East Rand. And while you're there, ask them for all the upgrade options for your Conqueror model.
Peaks to desert sands, life's greatest moments are in your hands. Oh, Conqueror, take me